Hi students, welcome to our maths class. In the previous class, we started problems of exercise 13.1 in ML Agarwal. Let us continue the same exercise. Today, I am going to take 17th question of first bit. So limit x tends to 2, x to the power 8 minus 256 upon x minus 2. Okay, let us see this question. As usual, if you substitute the limit, we will get 0 by 0. This is called indeterminate form. Indeterminate form. So for this, I am going to solve it by using one standard formula. Already I told you that formula. Look at this formula here. X power 8 minus, how can we express this 256? 2 power 8 upon x minus 2. Can we write like that? Now, it is in the form of limit x is tending to a, x power n minus a power n upon x minus a equal to n into a power n minus 1. This is the standard formula for this. If given limit is in the form of this form, we can apply directly n into a power n minus 1. Here what is the value of n? 8 into a means 2 power n minus 1, 8 minus 1. So 8 into 2 power 7. 8 into 2 power 7 means 128. So 8 8s are 64, 8 2s are 16 plus 6 22, 8 1s are 8 plus 2 10. So what is the answer there? 1024. Therefore, limit x tends to 2, x power 8 minus 256 upon x minus 2 is equal to 1024. That is the end of solution. Okay? Look at the second question. See the second question once. Second one, limit of x tends to 4, x power 3 by 2 minus 8 upon x minus 4. As usual, we get 0 by 0, that is called indeterminate form. Indeterminate form. So, I am going to take it limit x tends to 4, x power 3 by 2 minus 8 upon x minus 4. Now I am going to change this given limit into this form. Standard formula, limit x tends to a, x power n minus a power n upon x minus a equal to n into a power n minus 1. Actually, this limit is not in that form. So what should you do? Change them into x power 1 by 2 whole power 3 I am writing. Any problem? 3 by 2 can be written as 1 by 2 whole cube. This 8 can be written as 2 cube. Right? That by x minus x can I write like this, root x whole square minus 4 can be written as 2 square, right? Limit x tending to 4, I can write this as root x whole cube minus 2 cube upon root x whole square minus 2 square. Is that in the form of that? limit x tends to a I want, right? But here we have x is tending to 4. Is that in the standard form? Check once. 2 cube is 8, right? Then I'll do one thing here. Limit of, instead of applying, it is not in that standard form, I think so, right? So I'm not going to take that form. I'll do one thing here. We have an algebraic formula, a cube minus b cube, a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square, standard form. Similarly, a square minus b square can we write a plus b into a minus b. These two algebraic formula we can use here. A cube minus b cube means a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. A value root x, b value take 2. Here also a plus b into a minus b. Common factor is cancelled. Limit x tend to 4. X plus 2 root x plus 4 upon root x plus 2. Now substitute the limit. 4 plus root 4 means 2. 2 2s are 4 plus 4 upon root 4 means 2 plus 2. 12 upon 4 means 3. So therefore, limit x tends to 4, x power 3 by 2 minus 8 upon x minus 4, value 3. That is the final answer. So actually it is not in that standard form. That's why I did in another way. If that given limit is in that standard form, we could apply limit x tends to a x power n minus a power n by x minus a equal to n into a power n minus 1. Since it is not in that form, I proceeded another method. Okay? Hope it is clear. Thank you.